Alright, let's look at the homework 6.1, 6.3, problem number 4. Alright, so let's use the integration by parts probably twice to evaluate this indefinite integral. Alright, so first one, we're going to just let, I'm going to let u be x squared, and the dv to be the rest of it, which is e to the 2x dx. Alright, so take the derivative of this guy as usual. Du over dx is equal to 2x, and then we can multiply both sides by dx to get du is equal to 2x dx. Right? And here we can just divide through by dx. So dv over dx is equal to e to the 2x. Right? Then we can take the antiderivative. So v is going to be, antiderivative e to the 2x is e to the 2x divided by 2. Right? So we need u and v and also du. Right? So let's do the first integration by parts. So this is going to be equal to, so multiply these two guys together first. So you're going to get x squared over 2 e to the 2x minus integral. Then we multiply v and du together. So it looks like 2 and 2 cancel out. You're just going to get the x e to the 2x with respect to x. Then we just have to do another integration by parts on this integral right there. So let's do that. This time I'm going to let u be x. Then dv is actually exactly the same as before, e to the 2x dx. So I'm going to use the previous work. We know that the v is e to the 2x over 2. And here, if you take the derivative of u with respect to x, you're going to get 1, which means that if you multiply both sides by dx, we have du, which is exactly the same thing as dx. So now these are u and the v and dv are the things that we need. So let's do that. I'm going to actually go here so we have more room. So you have x squared over 2 e to the 2x. So this part is already finished. So minus, and I'll probably put the curly bracket here. So here first to multiply u and v together. So u and v together. So we get x over 2 e to the 2x, and a minus integral. Then we need to multiply these two guys together. So v du, so that's going to be e to the 2x over 2 dx. So here we can just go ahead and evaluate that. So you can see we're going to get x squared minus 2 over 2 e to the 2x, right? So it's a negative sign minus x over 2 e to the 2x, right? Then minus minus, so that's going to be plus sign. Then you have e to the 2x over 2, and 2 was already there, another 2 was already there, so it's 4, and plus some constant c. Alright, then you can probably, let's see, probably I'm gonna factor out, you know, what's in common would be e to the 2x, e to the 2x, and e to the 2x here. So I will factor that out. So e to the 2x is right here. Alright, then I don't like fractions, so I'm going to actually pull out the 1/4. So 1/4 here. And which means that if you pull out 1/4, it ended up multiplied by 4. So you have 2x squared minus 2x. Then you would have a plus 1. Alright, and plus some constant c. Alright, so let's type this guy in. Alright, so what we found was 1/4 and a quantity 2x squared minus 2x, and was it minus? Let's see, was actually plus 1. Okay, so you have plus 1, and you have e to the 2x. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back, and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. So it's a little tedious because we have to apply integration by parts twice, but if you do it you know, each step carefully, this one's not so bad. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.